talking about box calls and how they can be used in hunting situations, there's, I guess there's multiple, but there's two situations where I would use a turkey or a box turkey call. One of those being a situation where I'm cutting and running trying to strike a turkey. In that situation, I would use a more aggressive sequence, and it would sound probably something more like this. And that's what I would do if I'm trying to strike a turkey. Now, if I'm in a more of a hunting situation where I'm set up and trying to work a turkey that's on the ground and maybe coming to me, I would do a lot less of that kind of stuff. I would do more plain yelping and softer clucking, things like this. And that's what I would do if I'm trying to work a turkey into get him in the gun range. There's a freaking turkey gobbling right there. Coming?
They're standing right there. The same one. They're marching back.